SOS. This is Danny Schatzkis of Gig Gear, based in Brooklyn, New York. And we are here at AES 2015 in New York, and we're displaying our product, Gig Gloves. Gig Gloves are the only work glove designed specifically for musicians, gigging and touring professionals like roadies, rigging and lighting professionals, anybody who's out and doing the work and loading in, loading out, setting up, tearing down. These gloves are designed specifically for them. The idea is that from the moment you put the gloves on to start working, you don't need to take them off until you're done. Everybody who's been in this industry knows if you buy a generic pair of work gloves from Home Depot or the like, you have to take them off every 5 minutes. And sometimes you're compromising on how protective they are over what you're able to do with them. Gig gloves are designed so that you can do everything you need to do, while at the same time you're fully protected. I'll go into some quick features on the back. You've got TPR rubber, which gives you full impact protection on the back of your hand as well as your fingers, and it goes all the way to the top, so it even covers those pinch points if your fingers get stuck in between a case sometimes. On the other side, you've got padded grip material for when you're lifting heavy equipment. You've got a neoprene wrist cuff, which gives added stability. And then here are the best features of it. You have access to your first 3 fingers, so that if while you're setting up you quickly got to do a sound check, or even if you got to tune your guitar, you've got those fine motor skills that you're able to do to adjust faders or knobs without having to take the gloves off. Because we all know once you take the gloves off, the chances of putting them back on decrease greatly, plus you're leaving your hands exposed to being injured. And then the best part is, even if you don't have time to take your fingers out and you just got to answer a phone call, the gloves, even without taking your fingers out, are touchscreen sensitive, so you can do whatever you need to do to answer a call, use your phone, and get the gig done without hurting your hands or putting them at risk. We do have another pair that's going to be in production shortly, and these are thermo gig gloves. The idea behind them is exactly the same as the original, all the same features, except inside it's got a layer of fleece. So that way you don't only have to compromise on functionality or protection, but you also don't have to compromise on warmth. There's a layer of fleece inside which still keeps them thin, but if you've got outdoor location gigs that you're working on in the wintertime or when it's cold, you get everything in one glove, no need to take them off. Keep your hands protected. We spend hundreds of dollars on gig bags and cases, but we give little mind to our most valuable asset, our hands. So use gig gloves in the field. Currently, gig gloves right now at the show are only available in the US. However, international shipping will begin at the beginning of 2016, hopefully January 2016. They will be available internationally. You can get them on the website, www.gig-gear.com. Definitely go to the site, check it out. The MSRP of the product is $49. The street price and what you can get it for in stores and on our website is $39 a pair.